Since I have my rain break at the bus station, bus stop, I just want to say a few words about my bike to those cycling enthusiasts who might be interested. So this is a specialized Crux gravel bike. Frame is carbon frame expert. I think I bought this bike 5 years ago. It originally had ROVO wheels, carbon wheels, but I'm riding other carbon wheels that are custom built by Light Bicycle, and the hubs are Chris King. The rotors are forgot the name, colorful, the only colorful rotors you can get. And anyway, rotors are not important. Originally the bike was with mechanic derailleur SRAM, but I had it rebuilt to have electronic group. Normally I ride SRAM Force, but electronic, but I had to borrow from my wife Apex because it has long derailleur to service this 44 cassette. And in front I had a smaller ring installed. This is a size 38 and it's an oval. I like for one time drive, I like an oval solution. Really works well. In terms of tires, these are S-Works tires, gravel tires, size 33, and Praxis what am I saying? These are the Corba. How do you say Corba? Words fail me. Power meter is Impeak, company from Wrocław, by the way, and one-sided. And in terms of backs, the green backs are from Café du Cycliste, a French brand that makes excellent clothing, but also great bags. And this triangle, I had it made by a Polish company, Sakwy na Rowery. I gave them the size of the area I wanted a bag for, and they added something that I requested, Polish Eagle, in case I forgot where I come from. So I think this is it. The bike has been great, no issues whatsoever, and the saddle is S-Works 3D. I like the saddles, they are very comfy, and yeah. Oh, and at the back obviously Varia radar light, and on the side I also have a Lesine light to keep me visible. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, oh, somebody wrote something about Jesus.